Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to add different language keyboard on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 16. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So you can now add different language keyboards to your iPhone. By default, whatever language you choose at the beginning of your iPhone setup is what language keyboard you will get. So let me show you how to add more keyboards to your iPhone or iPad. So to do this, you want to go into Settings. Next, you want to scroll down and tap on General. Now on this page, you want to tap on Keyboard. Then you want to tap on Keyboards at the top. Now, as you can see, you've got two keyboards here. One's the English, which is by default, and the second one is the emoji keyboard. Now to add another language keyboard, I want to go ahead and tap on Add New Keyboard. Now, for example, I want to add a Thai keyboard. So I'll search for Thai. And there it is. I'll tap on it. Now this will add a Thai keyboard onto my iPhone. Now to use your keyboard, you just need to go back to the home screen, open up any apps that use a keyboard. Now here you want to tap on this world icon here, the bottom left. And here you've got a selection of keyboards which you have. So I've got my English, my emoji keyboard, and the Thai keyboard. So that is how to add different language keyboard on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 16. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.